Lewisville is a great place
Great place.
Great place
to work and live.
But how do we make it better?
In 10 years, I see a thriving Lewisville.
Thriving Lewisville.
Thriving Lewisville.
As a community where families can gather together.
More small businesses, more micro businesses, more family-owned shops.
A vibrant, welcoming, and warm community with lots of diversity.
A great place to live, shop, and dine.
A bustling, robust nightlife.
A place where people can walk their dog, take their kids out, come out for a date night.
It's a place where people continue to raise their families.
A cornerstone city in all of North Texas.
The smart city leader in the nation by integrating artificial intelligence and automation.
A community that fully embraces Castle Hills, my neighborhood. Your voice matters.
Your voice matters.
Your voice matters.
The city wants you
You.
for Lewisville 2035. Join us at our Community Vision Workshop on Thursday, December 4th at Independence Elementary School from 5 to 8 p.m.
Hope to see you there.